I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean environment, create a virtualenv and install PyQt5 or PySide6. Once done, open Qt Designer and choose the correct template, main window, dialog, or widget, then build the layout and set object name for every important control so you can reference it in code. Make sure to apply layouts and size policies. This prevents stretching issues later. Save the file as MyWindow UI and keep resources organized because this UI is the single source for your visual. Now convert the visual work into executable logic. You can compile the UI to Python with PyQ5 or PySide6 UIC, which gives a UI MyWindow. PyU import or load the UI at runtime for rapid edits using Load UI. Next, wire signals and slots. Connect button. Click to a handler method and make sure promoted custom widgets match the class names you import. Once connected, test the methods by calling them programmatically. This clarifies flow and surfaces missing references quickly. Finish by integrating the UI into your application. Create a Q application, instantiate the generated UI wrapper or load the UI call show and run app exec or app exec. For distribution, use PyInstaller and include Qt plugins and compiled resources so the app runs on target machines. If something fails, reproduce the issue with a minimal script. One key troubleshooting tip: if a widget is none or signal not firing, immediately verify object name spelling and whether you loaded the correct UI or imported.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.